See y'all later.
See y'all later.
Would you like to refill?
Justin.
It's that decaf Colombian.
I got a reishi, which is sweet chai, and I added matcha to mine. And then I'm on my way to work, so I got my mom a sweet chai as well. And a vegan muffin.
But it feels weird. Things that I've been feeling ain't real.
Are there? Thank you.
Welcome. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Enlarges, and we may have to get them new and have cubby. Follow me.
Stuff that we were just shopping for is for mostly the stunt people. We had to buy so much because with stunts there's blood and like all that kind of stuff. So with that being said, they have to have multiples, and then not only do they have to have multiples for their one change, but they're gonna use the same guys twice to create some little movie magic to make it look like it's double the amount of people that it really actually is. Anybody that's watching and you are a girl, or you got a girl that wears this size, I guess that makes it like a 6.5. Want some military boots? I'll come back for you, 50 bucks plus shipping, so like maybe like 60. Whoa, you got all three?
I was just missing, because there's some right there too.
Oh,
So get those. It's good to have an extra pair because we have the one guy we don't know what size he wears.
this is 13 and a 9.5.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So we'll get all those.
Okay. How many people does it take to screen print a shirt?
One.
No pressure, no pressure.
How?
Oh. Oh.
Well, you don't want to waste the ink.
Why not? I'm just taking some of it off.
Right. But
Oh. What the heck did you do? What did you just do to me?
scrape it right there.
here we
Scrape
go.
it there.
What did you do to me?
Sorry.
Moment of truth.
Okay, here we go.
Aren't I black
Come on.
enough?
Come on. Paul, move your hand.
Voice ready to come out?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, see, it didn't press down enough. Ah!
That's beautiful.
Looks great.
It looks good. It looks like it's aged. Avon made it to the party.
We don't want to go down one more time?
That'd be almost
it's
impossible
good.
by lining up with him.
Yeah.
That's it. That's, yeah.
It won't be impossible.
That'd be impossible, Mama.
Oh,
Oh, Janelle.
Scary.
No, I think.
No, Janelle. Janelle.
Hold up.
Janelle.
This is why it would have worked if we
You'll
had
never
to.
be able to get it.
it's gonna.
That one
Janelle.
looks
All
like
they got was one. He gotta make another one?
Hold on.
Janelle.
Hold on. Don't panic. I need a cell phone light.
And you got ink on your finger now.
I know, it's okay.
Okay. Janelle, we'll let Covey color it in there.
Just your Sharpie.
Yeah.
Janelle. Janelle.
Oh.
You're gonna put paint on the shirt now.
Oh my goodness.
It's bound to happen. Oh, so you're done.
I'm just saying.
Janelle. It's good. We have the skills to touch it up.
So we'll touch it up for you.
What is that?
I mean, I think we just get a sponge brush.
Hurry, you're back to school.
No, no. Don't touch it. Wait, let's see. L. Hold on. Move back a little bit, little G. I'm just looking for the letters. Where's the A?
It's too light to even tell.
Hey, there it is, there it is, there it is. Wait.
No.
Hey, wait, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Called it in.
This is it right here.
Yeah, I think that is right.
That is it.
Paint me then.
Paint me up.
But the,
Fine, we can fold it in.
Okay, just paint.
Now you gotta make a whole nother shirt.
If I go down twice, it'll be green.
okay, wait.
I'm gonna let you pull it.
No, no, no.
Then we
I'm
go to
gonna-
lunch. All right, that's it. Y'all go to lunch. Y'all go to lunch.
No.
Juice please.
That's a lot.
We don't have no more shirts, you know.
I'll start cutting another bag.
Come on.
And then we gotta tie
Hey.
it. This is after lunch.
Come on.
Watch his face. I can't watch his face.
Okay, good.
You want me to do it one more time?
Nope. Go that side. Okay, good.
That's it.
Okay,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
it. That's it. Ready, Paul? 1, 2, 3. La! Ha ha!
Ha ha!
That's we can wipe that off. We can wipe that off.
The prison guard made it.
That was a close call.
Oh, damn.
Wishes for the birthday boy. Happy birthday. Woo!
These are
Oh,
fun.
look, it went off.
Are they stickers? Yeah, they're stickers.
You can find these at a store near you nationwide.
$60 a piece.
These will be $600 a piece. Don't discount my work.
Support your local artists, man.
Support your local artists, guys.